Folks, this is Gil with Arlington Toyota. You have inquired about our new vehicle, our new inventory here. I would like to find out more about what you're trying to accomplish. From Tacomas, RAV4, Siennas, we got them all. We probably have the largest inventory here locally, and if you have any question getting that great deal, definitely talk to us. Arlington Toyota is family owned, and definitely you can get the best deal. That's the reason why we sell between 700 and 800 units a month. I look forward to working with you. Gil Mariano from Arlington Toyota. If you have any question, thank you, and I look forward to working with you.